Hello friends, my name is Shayan Ahmed and today I am going to show you how to make a circuit with a breadboard and make a few LEDs glow. So we need a few registers, a few LEDs, a battery, breadboard and jumper wire. So we'll take the breadboard and the LED and the long leg is the positive leg and the short leg is the negative leg. So if you take this as the positive area, then you will take a LED and take the positive leg and put it in the positive area and take another leg of that LED and put it in the negative area, and now you have to do like this only for all the LEDs. So it is done, and now we'll take a few registers, and if you have 4 LEDs then you need 4 registers, and we will take one of the register and put it beside one LED's positive leg and take another end of the register and put it in the positive line, which is the plus line, which is in red color. And now like this only you will do it for all the LEDs. And now it is done. Now we'll take a few jumper wires, and if you have 4 LEDs then you will take 4 jumper wires, and we'll take one jumper wire and put it beside a LED's negative leg and take another end of the jumper wire and put it in the negative line. Now we will take another jumper wire and put it beside another LED's negative leg and take another end of the jumper wire and put it in the negative line. And now like this only we have to do it for all of the LEDs. So now it is done, and now we'll take 2 jumper wires and take one jumper wire and put it in the negative line over here, and take another jumper wire and put it in the positive line over here. Now we'll take the battery and we'll test that is it working or not. So it is working. And now I'll test it with my Arduino, which I made by my own. It has all the pins like GND, 3 volt, 9 volt and pin number 13. I'll take the negative jumper wire and put it in GND, and now I'll take the positive jumper wire and put it in all other pins. This is pin number 11 and it is working And now this is pin number 13, and if I press this button, it will work. And now this is pin number 12. It is working. And this is pin number 3.3 volts. It is working. This is pin number 9 volts and it is working. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.